Hello friends, this is Apurva Ashok Thakre from MSP Art Science and KPT Commerce College, Manora, District Washing. My project topic name is Multimeter from Department of Physics and class BSc 3rd year, semester 6th. So let's we start about some information of multimeter and how we make a multimeter. First of all, we tell about aim of multimeter. Multimeter is an instrument to measure a resistance, voltage or current. A multimeter is also known as a volt ohm milliammeter, means VOM, measuring of resistance, electric capacitance and inductance also. Its main function is measuring of characteristics of electrical signal. Multimeter can be classified by number of digits, accuracy class, size, protection class, availability of additional functions or other parameter. So this is all about the aim of multimeter. So multimeter is two types. First is analog multimeter and second is a digital multimeter. So first of all we see analog multimeter. Analog multimeter is a DC galvanometer which can be converted into a ammeter or a voltmeter of a different ranges to measure a current or voltage or resistance also. For AC measurement, the RMS value of current and voltage are measured. Analog multimeter are multifunctional electrical measuring instrument with the indication by means of an arrow analog scale which is shown on the display of analog multimeter. And second type is a digital multimeter. Digital multimeter is an instrument to measure a voltage and current. It is used to digital circuit called ADC, analog to digital converter. ADC can accept a very simple input voltage, a sampling of an input voltage or current is necessary. Digital multimeter are modern, reliable, able, measuring a device's characteristics by high measurement accuracy and various functional capacities. Digital devices have replaced analog in a connection with the possibility of wide application of semiconductor technologies. And then we discuss about how it's work. Means multimeter how can work. A multimeter is a tool designed to troubleshoot electrical and electronic circuit and is used for checking voltage to confirm proper operating levels. Multimeter measure current, resistance and voltage. Expensive model can measure capacitance and inductance as well. Means we purchase a expensive model of a multimeter. They can also measure capacitance and inductance as well. In addition, an oscilloscope may have a multimeter functions. Then apparatus means how we make a multimeter and which things can need a multimeter with its leads, a resistance box, a key, a cell, a step down transformer of 6 volt output voltage, a rheostat, connecting wires, a piece of sandpaper. And then procedure for analog multimeter, this is another procedure, and the digital multimeter is another procedure. So first of all we see for analog multimeter, clean the ends of a connecting wires back by a sandpaper till they shines. Means we take a connecting wires and make it shiny for its use. Preferably use fresh connecting wire, as a wire not in use for a long time may have some insulating layer deposit on them. We will use a fresh wire and new wires for the making an analog multimeter for measurement of a resistance. And then we measure a resistance on analog multimeter. How we measure? Let's see. Set the multimeter in a resistance measuring mode. Connect the red and black probes to the multimeter. Then connect the open ends of a red probe directly to the black probe and adjust the zero adjustment knob to read 0 ohm on the resistance scale. Separate the metallic end of the test probes and connect the resistance box with the multimeter. Got it? Then we see the procedure of digital multimeter. Procedure for measuring voltage, current and resistance is very similar to that analog multimeter. Means we follow the procedure of analog multimeter to measure current and voltage and resistance also in digital multimeter. And then the notable difference is that the digital multimeter is not vulnerable to damage as easily as their analog counterparts. They can accept accept voltage with reverse polarities and display the number as and when the magnitude of a major quantities crosses the upper limits of the ranges used. And then we see the application of a multimeter. Application also different. For analog multimeter there is a different application, and for digital multimeter there is a different application. So let's see about analog multimeter. Application of analog multimeter: possibility to carry out a measurement at a low temperature down to minus 30 degrees Celsius. Fast operating with a large amount of measurement with the high precision is not required. Then do not require power consumption from the built-in power supply in the mode of voltage and current measurement. Instant display of dynamic of the signal changes. And then we see application of digital multimeter. For digital multimeter, maximum possible measurement accuracy. Means digital multimeter do not show incorrect or inaccurate measurement. Automatic polarity detection if the probes are connected incorrectly. The correct value with a minus sign appears on the screen. And possibility of automatic and manual selection of measuring ranges, multifunctionality, resistance to mechanical damage, the ability to record a measurement result in a memory with a PC. And this is some application of multimeter, digital as well as analog. And then thank you.